Guys, pupunta ako sa British Heart Foundation kasi may nakita ako dito na pink na tasa. Actually, yung tasa lang talaga yung gusto ko. Kaya lang, isang set pala siya. At murang-mura lang. So, nagbabakasakali ako na available pa. At saka, i-check ko din kung pwede kong ipa-reserve para makuha ko siya, namin siya sa Friday. Ay, hindi pala siya kita dito sa labas. Yan, ito yung British Heart Foundation dito. Malapit lang to sa amin. Sa pinagtatrabahuhan ko. So, i-check natin kung available pa. Sana talaga available pa. At sana mapa-reserve ko din kasi gusto ko talaga siya. Papakita ko sa inyo itsura. So, tingnan natin kung available pa yung item. Sorry. Sana available pa. Oh no, mukhang hindi na. Oh my God, I'm so disappointed. Wala na siya. Ay, hindi, nandito pa. Yay, it's still here. Ayan siya. Hindi naman siya super pink, pero gusto ko talaga to. Ayan, microwavable. Ang laki, di ba? Ang laki. Tapos meron siyang ilang, ganito, apat na ganito at apat ganito. Mukha naman siyang walang basag. Diba? Light pink lang siya. So gusto ko siya. Itatanong ko kung pwedeng ipa-reserve. Table nga pala. Ayan. Ito gusto ko din to, guys. At ang mura lang niya. Kaya lang, papacheck ko pa sa asawa kung gusto niya. And I also like this. Wow, this is new. 25. Table and chair.
Just ask our friendly staff for more details about delivery in time for Christmas.
I hope it's parang wig. Ang ganda nito. I like this. Kasi maliit lang yung space namin. I like this. Oh my God. Ito yung una ko nakita dati. Pero ngayon bago to. Para mas bet ko to ngayon. It's mukha siyang good. Siguro may mga konting mga issue lang yan. Pero keribom-bom na yan. Ito yung second option ko. Sana pagpunta ulit kami dito sa Friday, available pa rin yung table. Bibilin ko talaga. Mura lang, di ba? 95 pounds. I'll take a picture later at post ko na. Check ko muna kung pwede kong ipa-reserve yung item. Yung pink, wait lang. Wait lang, may kausap pa siya. So, hintayin ko na matapos. Tapos, i-check natin. Sana pwede. Gusto ko na siyang bilhin. Yeah, a question with regards to the pink setup plate there. Can I pay it and then just have it pick up by Friday?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I really want. But I cannot bring it now because it's kind of heavy.
Yeah.
Those pink. That's 5 pounds, right? I think so.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pay them.
Yeah, no.
I'll just pick it up. And by the way, for the tables, do you deliver?
So we can deliver. What's your postcode area?
WN5 8R1. Is this included?
No, not that one.
I thought it is.
I can do that one for £1 for you.
Because this is actually just what I wanted. And then they said it's included with that one. So,
no,
yeah.
it's separate. I can do that for £1.
Okay. I'm just gonna tell my husband because he doesn't like pink. I told him that this one includes.
It's up to you.
Yeah, pink. For the table delivery, is it free delivery to WN5?
Oh yes, that's what I was saying, wasn't I? So it's £30 for delivery, but that's per delivery, so you can get multiple items on that one.
Okay. So we're gonna check. I like the new table over there, but
so the new ones, they come boxed up.
Yeah.
So if you drive, it fit in most cars.
we actually don't have cars.
So it's £6 then, please. What's your surname?
Gregory.
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 And you're going to collect it by Friday.
Friday. Anytime. Can I collect it?
Yeah,
anytime? But can I do like a reservation on a table? Or
We
no?
don't take reservations and things just because stuff moves so quickly.
Yeah.
But the new stuff we have in all the time anyway.
Alright. So this is just the only
That's your
information I
receipt,
need.
yeah.
Okay. I'll just gonna go around.
Yeah, no problem.
Is it going to be in a box?
I can
or-
see if I can find one for you.
Mhm.
Depends what we've got.
If in case I'm gonna ask him to bring something.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
I'd probably bring one just in case. Because yeah, it just depends on if we have anything dropped off that I'm using not using the
Salamat.
box for.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Nga, na-reserve ko, but babalikan na lang namin sa Friday. Ito talaga gusto ko itong table, kaya lang hindi sila nakakapag-reserve. So, oh my God, no. I like this one. It's only 95 pounds. I'll put this one. It's just that we need to check everything before we buy, but I really love it. I don't know if I can. So, ayun nga, babalik na rin ako sa opisina. Tatawagan ko muna ang aking mudra. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!